This should be my last trade. This is on bear market. I've actually done like 3, but I wanted to do one more just to. Okay, my entry is on top on time. So I just wanted to do one more. I've actually done like 1, 2, I think about 3 trades. So usually I'm supposed to make only probably like 3 to 4 trades, depending on if the percentage reduces below minus 7%. So for bear market, for the same setup, it usually varies. It can give up to even 15% per trade. So right now it's 10%. So I've done 2 bear markets and 2. You can see this account. I started this account with $20. Okay. So I'm trying to show you how step by step you can grow your money. Okay, you can grow your money. So from like $20, I've made $10. You can see 207. That was what it was before I started trading. So let's go to today's trade. Now today I made $3.39. 4 trades. That's all. I'm done. I'm closed for the day. The reason why I'm doing 4 trades is because as at when I did 3 trades, I've already made $2. Okay, I've already made $2. But because the percentage for 50 was below 7, okay, if the percentage is below 7, I have to do 4. If the percentage is above 7, I do 3. So I'm still following my rule. The rule is very simple: 2 to 3 trades. Okay. Well, if I'm just doing 10%, I would have just done 2 and I'm okay. But depending on where I get signal. So for this project, I'm actually working on 2 indices alone. The first one is red bear market. You can see here, this one is red bear I traded, and this one here, this one is red bear, while this one is 50 index. Okay, those are the 2 indices I'm looking at throughout this trading process. So right now I can withdraw, and I will always recommend if you want to withdraw, okay, I can withdraw $10. I've made profits. So you use payment agent. Okay, see payment agent here. I will always recommend payment agent. I use a payment agent, so I recommend you use Bakare Pay. Okay, you use Bakare Pay. That's the agent I use on a daily basis anyway. So I can come here and say withdraw. So I'll pause so that I can get the withdrawal link, and then I'll record this process so you understand. You can get a seed. So I'm going to withdraw it. It's going to go back to $20. So like that, as I'm making $10, I withdraw. Okay, that's the whole process. You make $10, you withdraw. So I'll pause and I'll be right back. Okay, so the withdrawal is here. I've gotten the link, so I've also clicked on the link. Now all you have to do is to type Bakare Pay. Okay, you type Bakare Pay. Once you type Bakare Pay, you can see Bakare Pay Business Service Limited. All right. You click on this arrow, drop down, then you enter your amount. So I've made a profit of $10.46. Okay, that's like 50% of what I started with. So I click on continue. Now I can confirm here, and then I can now say transfer now. So you can see it shows the account holder name, shows all the details, and then I say transfer now. So withdrawal is done. So all I need to do is take a screenshot. Okay, I can take a screenshot of this. I don't know if that has taken a screenshot. Normally you should have. Okay, you should have taken the screenshot, but let me do the screenshot manually. Okay, so you take a screenshot, you message him. You can see his WhatsApp link here, WhatsApp message. You message him, and then voila, you give him your bank details, you get your money in your account. It's very fast. So this is the process. Okay, how many days did I use in making that amount? I've traded for like 1, 2, 3, I think probably 4 days. Okay, it's not up to 5 days yet. So I've already made $10 from my $20. So I'm good. So I do that little by little, little by little. You see, when you do lesser trade, I need you to understand this. When you do lesser trade, you are going to have greater results. Okay, you have greater results. The problem with a lot of people is that they want to just suddenly hammer. Don't be that way. You're not going to make all the money that way. Slow and steady. I'm not promising you make millions. You make billions. But I can assure you, if you follow the principle, you follow the step-by-step guide, you will see how. Okay, so this is today's zone, $3. Yesterday in call. Let's see if I can do okay, from this to this. So you need to do it small. So you can see 3 days. That's 3 days, $8. Small. Somebody will say $2 is too small or $3 is too small. Little by little, your capital is small. My capital is small, $20. And I'm making $2, $3. In 4 days, I've already made $10. I've done 11 trades in 3 days. About 15 or 14 trades. And I've made $10. Slow and steady. And I'm using my signal setup. So don't just think I'm doing it anyhow. You can see my chart is open. Let me show you, probably maybe you get to see some of the trades I've done. This is my own personal page. Okay, I want to show you some of the trades I've done. Okay, some of the trade I did today. Okay, very simple, very easy. Okay, look at all these. These are all the signal for today. They are the same signal setup. Look at the time. This is the date, right? I started, I think, around after 1. So which is around this 12:46. You can see this. All these trades are done. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they were won. And this same signal setup is the one available on my website. Forget it. It's the same. It's not a different sort of. It's the same. So I was trading just 2, bear and bull. So slow and steady does it. God bless you, and I'll see you in another video.